It's easy to get sentimental and overstate the connection between American country music and Scotland. We've each of us, after all, got 16 great-great-grandparents, and each one of them has 16 too. An important part of the American tradition is Scottish. The fiddle tunes, ballads and so on that Scottish emigrants took with them across the Atlantic. But that 3,000 miles of sea 200 or 300 years ago was only the start of it. There was a long way to go. One of the crossroads was Bluegrass, named after the part of Kentucky where Bill Monroe was born. Bill Monroe, along with such performers as Earl Scruggs and Lester Flatt, can rightly claim to be the founding father of Bluegrass. He's a living legend, a member of the Country Music Hall of Fame in Nashville. But he remains the kind of man who prefers his farmyard porch to a mandolin-shaped swimming pool. And Kenny Baker, who started life as a miner, is very much a fiddle player's fiddler.
Bill, your family came over here from Scotland, didn't you, originally?
The Monroes
yes.
Come from Scotland.
And is that because of your link with Scotland that you named that tune?
I always loved the way the Scottish music was played, you know, and the sound, and going way on back and the way of the tones, hundreds of years ago. I loved that part of it. And I'd heard some Scottish bagpiping over in this country, and I just wanted to make a number like that, call it Scotland.
Well, how did you get started in the music?
Well, to start with, my mother, she liked to play the fiddle, and my Uncle Penn Vannevar on my mother's side of the family was a wonderful fiddler. And he would come and visit us once in a while, and I would get to listen at him play the fiddle, you know.
Now, you learned lots of tunes from him. You did a really nice album called Uncle Penn. Would you like to play one or two of his tunes? Or?
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Yeah. Oh, why didn't you do that?
Pick out one, Kenny.
Yeah. Let's do Jenny Lynn.
Jenny Lynn, that's fine, yes.
We don't know exactly how many Scottish families came over the Appalachians, down through the Cumberland Gap and on out west, with a fiddle packed away in the back of the wagon. We do know there were a lot who stayed in the mountains.